If you are wondering if we have AI camera on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the answer is partially yes. We do have some features that can be easily considered as AI, and even Motorola labels these features as such. So let me just quickly show you some examples. If we open the camera, then over here at the top we have these stars if we use the photo mode. And then in here we have the selection of color style. So we have the natural color style, we have the signature style, which is with the help of AI. I mean, it's created with the help of AI, and the vivid option. Of course, we want to focus on this one, the signature style. What it does is it uses AI to create your own unique camera style. You can train AI by editing photos and adjusting brightness and saturation in gallery. And also, if you go to settings, then over there you should also be able to find a couple of options. So over here, if you open camera settings, here we have the signature style, and we can start training AI over here. You can also completely disable this option if you don't want to use it. There's also the Super Zoom Pro option, which apparently enhances the clarity of telezoom photos, which I assume it uses some AI tricks and tools to actually improve the quality. So of course, if you don't like it, you can turn it off as well. And we also have the AI audio option, which amplifies audio in the zoomed area of the viewfinder if you enable this option. And that is pretty much all. These are all the major AI tools that I could find in the camera on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.